Hello guys, in this video we will see what is update failed in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of understanding the update failed error. Content: the update failed message in Battlefield indicates that the game client, whether on via the App Origin or console, was unable to successfully download an pack or play a recent patch or hotfix. This error typically prevents players from launching the game or accessing online multiplayer until the update is correctly installed. Common underlying causes include corrupted game files, unstable internet connection, insufficient disk space, server-side issues, or conflicts with system permissions or security. Software identifying the specific trigger is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Step: diagnose network stability and server status. Content: before attempting complex fixes, ensure your internet connection is stable and the game servers are operational. Check your Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet connection for any drops or unusually slow speeds. Try restarting your router and modem simultaneously. Consult official Battlefield or help social media channels or third-party sites like Down Detector to verify if there are widespread server outages or maintenance for Battlefield that might be preventing updates from being delivered. If servers are down, you simply need to wait for them to come back online.
Step: verify game files and clear platform. Catchy content on utilize the verify game files or repair function within the App or Origin plane. This utility scans your Battlefield's installation for corrupted or missing files and automatically redownloads any necessary components, which often resolves update failures caused by data integrity issues for console players. Try clearing the system, often done by fully powering down and unplugging the console for a minute, or if applicable, delete the specific update file and attempt to re-download it. Step: check disk space and run as administrator. Content updates, especially large ones, can temporarily require significantly more disk space than their final install size for extraction and installation processes. Verify you have ample free space on the drive where Battlefield is installed on. Ensure you are running the App or Origin and Battlefield itself with administrator privileges. Right-click the shortcut or executable and select Run as Administrator to prevent potential file permission conflicts that could hinder the update process. Temporarily disabling antivirus or firewall software with caution can also rule out interference. Step: perform a clean reinstallation or contact support. Content: if all previous steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Battlefield can often resolve deeply entrenched update issues that stem from severely corrupted game files or installation. As be aware, this is a time-consuming process due to download size. You install the game, then delete any residual folders manually before reinstalling from scratch. If the update failed error persists even after a clean reinstallation, it indicates a more unique or persistent issue, and the final step is to contact support directly, providing them with a detailed account of all troubleshooting steps you have already performed.